Hey folks, David Frost, LazyGapTrader.com. Looking at a live gap trade in process, hopefully. Looking to get filled at 55.52. Stock's coming into it now, Dick's Sporting Goods. And if we get filled, we're going to look for a bounce of about 50 cents, believe it or not. Here we go. So I'm filled on the trade, 55.52. And you can see here the stock closed all the way up here at about $61 yesterday. We're trading down about 9% at the open, and look at that. We're catching a level that should provide a price reaction in the other direction, and here it comes already. So I'm looking for 55. I'm actually going to put it in at 55.99 is my price, and I'm looking for just under 50 cents on the trade. And whether it takes a few more seconds or a couple of minutes, I'm pretty confident this level is going to work out. What I teach in my course at Lazy Gap Trader is how to identify price levels if a stock is gapping higher or lower at the open, where that stock is likely to have a price reaction in the other direction by finding support or resistance. In the case of this one, Dick's Sporting Goods, we found support at 55.52. It pierced through just by a few pennies, and now we're fighting that level. And you can see here, it's pretty evident about the buyers and sellers having a fight. So you have people dumping the stock because it's down. They're doing the wrong thing at the wrong time. And you have institutional traders that are there to pick up the shares from the retail trader, if you will, that are dumping shares at the open. So that's what's happening here at this level. And I teach you how to identify these levels in my course at LazyGapTrader.com. So we're looking for one more push higher. It should get over 56. That's the bottom line. So I'm looking for 55.99. That'll give me a nice 47-cent trade or profit on the trade. And the market's only been open for a little more than 10 minutes. So hopefully we'll get out of this trade with a profit and move on to the next one. So this was out of my morning gap trade list that I sent out to subscribers at 9 o'clock this morning before the market opens. Also, anybody that's taken my course is able to find the exact same level to the penny, 55.52 on Dick's Sporting Goods. That would have been a level that anybody that's taken my course would have been able to calculate without a shadow of a doubt. So we're looking for a bounce higher. We need about 30 cents higher from here. The stock is fighting the level, but you can see this is where the buyers and sellers are having a fight, and it's starting to bounce up a little bit. So let's just wait for a little bit more. I'm looking for one more bounce higher. It's taken a little bit longer than I would have liked, but we'll give it another minute or so. And if it doesn't happen in another minute or so, I may just take the profit and go. I don't ever want to let a bad trade turn into a good trade. We're almost there. We just need one more push higher. It's coming. Come on. 55.99. We just need one more jolt higher, and this trade will be in the books. It's coming down again. Come on. 55.99. This is the morning gap trade stuff, folks. I give out anywhere from 2 to 5 or 6 gap trades each and every day to subscribers, and the folks that have taken my course learn how to do this for themselves. Either way, this is a profit. I've got a break-even stop in at this point. I'm not going to let this go against me. That's the beauty of this. Right now, it's a risk-free trade. Done. I'm out. Great job. Awesome. All right, so now the trade is over. Don't care what happens the rest of the day, but some traders may elect to hold this trade. And in my course, I teach how to turn the rest of this trade into a risk-free, emotionless trade if you want to catch it for a ride higher if this was the bottom of the day. And sometimes that does happen. So anyway, we're going to leave it here today. A nice profitable trade. Come over, check out the course, LazyGapTrader.com. I'm David Frost. Thanks for tuning in, folks.